Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to s ds. First derivative of s where we have to s. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2 because we don't have number 2 in here. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. So this one we have u to the power of 1 over 4. So if we want to put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative on the power. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put negative 1 over 4 gone here. So negative 1 over 4 plus 1, we have 3 over 4. So 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. That is about 3 over 8. About u, that is about this one. Sorry, that's about 2 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.